Hey, welcome to the page. I am your host, Rocky, and what we're going to go over today, what I'm going to be teaching you is how to create pages in GrooveFunnels as well as add your navigation bar and create submenus. And I am extremely excited because now we are starting to move more along the lines of the creative process. And if that is something that you are interested in with Groove Pages, today is the day. If you are just coming here for the first time, thank you so much. I appreciate you and welcome. If you are returning, you know how much I love you for that. So thanks again. And if you love videos that talk about software that you are able to promote to create financial freedom for yourself, this is the channel for you. Premier Affiliates is all about going over the best software around and showing you what's available for you to use and also what's available for you to promote. That's what we do here, and so I'm so excited to have you a part of that. So what we're going to do is once you sign into your Groove Pages account, hopefully you've gotten one already. If you haven't, click the link below, look at the link right here, and go there and set up your free account, and then get back to this and work along with me. But most of you most likely already have an account, so we're going to get started. So your page may look a little different. You might already have 2 or 3 or whatever, but what you can do here is you just click on New Site. I always start from a blank template. And then we're going to start out fresh, right? So from here, what you would do is you would go right on over to your pages, and you start off with a home page, right? And then here you hit the plus button, and then right here they give you the option again to either take a template you already have, use a template from the library, or create a blank one for your new page. And then here, now you're on a completely different page, page 2. You can look right up here and see the pages that you have. From here, I go back to pages, click on the little menu right here, rename your page. We're just going to do some generic naming here. Name them however you want. I'm going to do about. Right, and add another one. I'm going to do page 3. Go to the name. Rename it to contact. There we go. And then we'll do a couple of video pages because I love video, and that's what I do. I do video marketing, I do affiliate marketing. That is my passion, and I'm a copywriter, so I love to write about software. Video 1. There we go. Do another one. Video 2. And what we said was we're going to also show you how to do submenus. So I'm going to add one more page. Let's just name it media. Right? That makes sense. There we go. Okay. So now we're going to click on the home, and when we're starting to create our navigation bar, you want to make sure that you're on the home page. Okay, so I've seen that before, and a couple of other people have sent me messages and say, hey, what's going on here, or I don't see my navigation bar. And the reason for that is you want to make sure that you are on the home page and starting there before you add your navigation bar. Okay. Okay, so here you can go to your blocks, right? And here you have all your blocks all listed out for you. That's a bit overwhelming. Then you have your alert bars, your call to action. If you look down here, you have your Navbars. And there's a good amount, there's a couple of options here. And obviously, again, you can get really creative. But I'm going to just grab the one right second and just drag it right over here. And there you go. There's your navigation bar. As you can see, it's already responsive. Here you go. So that's it. It's very, very simple. You can just drag and drop, and it's going to show you all the pages. But let's say that you don't want it to look like this. You don't want video 1 and video 2 just sitting here. You want it to be a submenu under media. It's a simple and easy fix. All you do is head right back over to pages, and then you would just take video 1. Now you can either just you click on it and just drag it over. I suggest taking these little dots and just dragging it down, and see that little indentation right here? You see that? How it moves over? Just do that, and then grab this right over here, and then just drag it again. If you want a video 2 to be first, you can do that, and then just drop it. And then now, as you can see right on the page already, if you hover, it has video 1 and video 2. It is that simple, guys, to create a navigation bar along with submenus. And if you wanted to, change the color and do all the other things, you would just go through the normal routine of clicking on the nav bar and using the menu options that are over to the right when you get started on designing your page and your website. Okay, that's it, guys. It's simple, super simple. Again, like I said earlier, if this is your first time coming and you want to get videos like this, tutorials about software, this is the channel for you, Premier Affiliates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also click on that icon, that bell notification, so you can know when your new homeboy is dropping videos for you, okay? And taking the time to walk you through the process, so it's easy peasy for you. All right. With that being said, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm your boy Rocky. This is Premier Affiliates. Thank you very much. Until next time, get out of here.